Cherokee 9384 Juliet, 10 miles to the southeast.
Cherokee 9384 Juliet, Martinsburg Tower, good morning. Maintain outside of the class Delta at this time. Martinsburg radar is out of service and I have a flight of 23 that name is taking the runway for departure.
Roger, stay out of the class Delta for now at 4 Juliet.
Moose flight, runway 26 at Echo 1. Wind estimated 360 at 10, cleared for takeoff.
Moose flight, cleared for takeoff, 26.
Cherokee 84 Juliet, what's your current altitude?
1,600 and 9 for Juliet.
Cherokee 84 Juliet, Roger, expect a left base entry. Just hold outside of the class Delta at this time. Expect about a 5-minute delay.
5 minutes delay for Juliet.
Says a 9-1 Victor, say your current location and altitude.
9-1 Victor is 4.5 to the left at 2,600 climbing.
Verify you're 4.5 miles to the east.
I'm sorry, east, affirmative, 9-1 Victor.
Roger.
And Moose flight, this is Moose lead. Make sure you tighten up the formation on the runway. And Moose tail, make sure you call in and ready. Roger.
Well, here we go. This is pretty exciting. 23 planes all at once. What could go wrong? Little Jimmy's World shout out.
Moose tail is in and ready. Moose lead rolling.
Moose lead, we're currently coordinating with Potomac approach control for your flight. What altitude are you climbing to?
Moose lead climbing to 3,000 for the entire box and then descending back down to 1,800 for the down entry.
Moose lead right, Roger. How far west are you going to be departing?
The flight will be going direct to MIPU. And then a left turn to Ramey, and then a left turn to Jason, and then a left turn to the airport.
Moose lead, Roger. So you're going to be reporting about a 10 mile straight in for runway 26?
That's affirmative. We'll be reporting maybe a little further out, but about a 12 mile from the airport.
Roger.
We're making a right downwind, midfield downwind turn.
Roger.
Martinsburg Tower, 6 Tango Whiskey is turning left base for 26.
Extra 16 with you, Roger. Number 1 for runway 26 now. Wind estimated 310 at 12, gust 17, clear to land.
Clear to land 26, 6 Tango Whiskey. Bonanza lead, Bonanza tail is turning at Ramy. Move tail, roger.
Gate 4 Juliet, the flight of 23 aircraft are inbound. We need to sterilize their space after your next approach. Same intentions.
Yeah, we can do touch and go and then depart to the west.
Cherokee 84 Juliet, roger, runway 26, wind estimated 310 at 12, gust 15, clear touch and go, on departure, westbound departure is approved.
Left downwind departure approved, clear for runway, touch and go for runway 26, 84 Juliet.
Cherokee 84 Juliet, verify you are westbound on departure.
Westbound it is, 93 84 Juliet.
Roger, just verifying.
Charlie 1 lead, stay speed. 129 ground speed, 120 to keep 4 mile spacing. Roger. Moose flight, I realize some haven't made the turn. Moose flight, slow to 110 knots now. Alpha 1, element, gear down, lights on. Moose tail turning, Jansen.
Alpha 2 element, gear down, lights on.
Charlie 2, element, lights on. Charlie 3, element, lights on. Delta 1.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Delta 2, gear down, lights on, now.
Gas. Undercarriage 3 green, mixture prop.
Moose flight, exit runway 26 at Alpha 3.
Exit Alpha 3, Moose flight lead. Thank you.
Good morning, Martinsburg Tower, Twin Comanche 7856 Yankee. We're about 10 miles northwest inbound Martinsburg for a full stop.
Comanche 7856 Yankee, Martinsburg Tower. Good morning. I need you to...
500.
Outside the class Delta airspace at this time, I have a flight of 23 Bonanzas inbound.
Classic Yankee, Roger. We're fly the ridge out here for a while. How long do you expect that'll be Class C hold up?
56 Yankee, I expect about another 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, we're loop out here at the ridges.
Roger. 56 Yankee, expect a right downwind entry.
Right traffic for 26. 56 Yankee, Roger. We'll expect that.
And Moose lead taxi down Alpha, hold short of runway 26 at Alpha 2.
Taxi, hold short of runway 26 Alpha 2, and will be a slow taxi so that we can recoup the flight.
Roger. Wind currently estimated 350 at 12, gust to 15.
Moose flight, thank you.
Whew. Well, that was fun.